After the Pahalgam attack, Indian government has come under severe criticism. The Indian establishment has once again tried its old strategy and created a new drama. In a suburb area of Srinagar, Dachigam, Indian forces martyred 3 Kashmiri youth in a fake encounter and declared them terrorists involved in the killing of the tourist. This incident occurred at a time when the Indian Parliament is discussing the Pahalgam incident and the failed Operation Sindoor, and the opposition is criticizing the government. After the Pahalgam attack, the Indian government blamed Pakistan without any evidence, declared 4 youths as attackers and destroyed their homes, and then fabricated a new narrative. The NIA first withdrew the charge, then linked 3 new individuals to Azad Kashmir, Pakistan. The satellite phone conspiracy, the torture of the local shepherds, and the media control. All of this was an attempt to fabricate the complete false narrative aimed at avoiding the public outrage. Every person in India, credible journalists, analysts, and the opposition parties, even some of the BJP's own leaders and the former army officers are asking very tough questions to which the Modi government is unable to provide any answers. And now, by staging the drama in Dachigam, it tried to hide the criminal face in the Pahalgam with the blood of 3 innocent people. The question is, if this is truly a war on terror, then why it is always resorting to lies, contradictions and propaganda? Why does the BJP gain political advantage by putting the dead bodies on the stage? And how long will India hide its crimes and the failures?